Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look just the local updates for Arbitrum USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. So yes, we invalidated initiation accumulation pump model. Finally, we tracked this model since March 23. And finally, all levels was alleged. So we saw the reaction at the first zone of interest. We saw the reaction again. And we saw a reaction again. By the way, here is for all patterns lowers. So this was a pure double bottom, right? But we cooked. That's why, guys, this cycle on a hard mode, right? And no makes sense just blindly waste the stable coins if you don't have a plan. If you get a plan to accumulate Arbitrum now, of course, now it's more than okay to start at 10 cents and go with the stairs, with DCA position if we talk about a spot. For the futures, of course, we have to use the daily time frame and the local time frames for the entry. Now, yesterday I explained it, so no makes sense now. Try to catch some knives. Try to guess what will happen next between the United States and Iran. Now, the focus on response of Iran. So unfortunately, guys, we all cooked with the institutional. People prayed about, when the institutional came into the market, we just flowed into liquidity and all altcoins could rocket to the moon. But guys, the institutional just here for the USD at the end. The good moment, guys, usually when we see some wars, the pandemic or something, it's just a trigger. Just a trigger because everything pre-planned before to start printing the money. So that's a point. I would be not surprised if now I think they will figure out in the next 5 days, I guess, 4 or 5 days, everything with the Iran, even with response. And after that, they start make a deal, a business deal, and we will see some rebounds from of course, for the BTC first, and after that, maybe some altcoins will follow. So if not, it's going to be the longer conflict, the longer war. Here, if we take a look, the local bounce, how high we can bounce. First of all, and now at 10 cents 17, everything what is under here 8 cents 84, it's just the open space. Nobody know now where the Arbitrum will stop. Nobody. Absolutely. This is just a price discovery zone. We can repeat for example, the start net. Any token can dump like this one and go and add 102050 be delisted. So just in case, guys, it's a fact. It's not like a thought. It's not some bad rumors or so. It's just a fact. So it can happen because we saw many examples with the other tokens, right? But we take an action or not. That's why I think now it's more than okay to take an action. So today is a Sunday. All eyes how we will open the New York session tomorrow, right? What the reaction will be on oil price, on gold price, and the BTC, and the DXY, of course. And after that, you can take an action. So to buy the Arbitrum like speculation or not. Months and frame, of course, this chart can't be like extra bearish. Of course, it's more bullish because we sweep at the 3 years low. So March 1st, it's zone 23. And imagine after the 3 years, everybody's screaming, we're giving to the moon. We landed back to the same listing price. And only now it's more than okay, to accumulate for the spot position. If you believe, of course, in Arbitrum, I guess everything will be okay with Arbitrum. With the targets over the $100. We could never hit the 100. $1.54, $1.65. So this is the target. The first trouble area is going to be 71 cents. Nice one. So the weekly time frame, what we can see here? To start talking about a break of structure, we need to break this high. Not even this one, I guess. So 23 cents, like last impulse down. I guess here, this is the main one. Liquidity pool. 62. Done. Let's take a look on the daily. On the daily, the same picture. So this one, it's a daily time frame break of structure. So around here, this is the last break of structural level. Here, we need to see something like this one if we would like to see some reversal move on alts. something like this one, and go higher. So this is the direction what I would like to see on Arbitrum. That's why if you want to take a risk now, for example, at 10 cents, it can be not a mistake. We can't know. Yes, of course, under 8 cents, it's just price discovery mode. We can't know, right? But we take an action or not. And without a risk, we can't make money. So it's more than logical to see now 10 cents. It's a spot limit order to buy, or the market order to buy. Here, 23 or 20 cents at this break of structure, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. So that's an option. And after that, when we drop it down to 17, for example, you can re-enter again with the free tokens, with the free money from the air, and the right to the top. If we drop it down under, no makes sense to waste the stable coins again with the DCA, because we can stuck in the token forever. All right, so this is a logic for the entry. Let's double check, guys, with indicator set. ADZ direction. This is accumulation on the daily, accumulation on direction, bullish one, accumulation on a weekly time frame on ADZ on a weekly, bullish. This is accumulation since November. It's bullish, right? The worst case, of course, guys, we can stay like for a long run, for a long time here in this bullish pattern, right? And even the form awareness. Is it possible? Yes. But we build a plan, and I try to find the reasons to buy this token for the spot or to skip it. So now, based on some at least 3 or 4 tools, what I double check, it's more bullish for a spot position. Market smooth, total capitulation, monthly. This is what I don't like. I would like to see the market smooth in this belief zone here on the monthly. Definitely after the 3 years, I hope this distribution is added, and I hope now we'll find a support. Weekly time frame, it's disbelief capitulation. Daily time frame, it's disbelief capitulation. Nice one. If you would like to try open long position with the futures, guys, we always count with the cycle leverage. It also can be the not a good idea, because the stop loss is kind of big one. It's a 24% stop loss. Of course, with the targets to the break of structure. So 24 against 250, maybe you can try it. I'm just skip it and wait the Monday open. Maybe even not a Monday. Usually we see the Monday open, the bullish one. After the Tuesday is a bearish one, and maybe in the end of Asia session Wednesday, usually it's we can form the reversal move. Daily time frame, no bullish signals to buy now. No money inflow. Here was some money inflow, but it was like a speculation. Weekly, here, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, the whales accumulate this week without accumulation. So imagine this week's, it's a red one, but the whales accumulate based on money power indicator. This one is green, but without money inflow. Price under pressure, 60 million Arbitrum whale sales sparks all-time low fear. How do people start selling, in a panic at the all-time low? What they're in their mind? So you imagine you hold 3 years, and now at the all-time low you start selling. I have no idea. So the good moment, guys, here we saw the signal take profit. It's a bullish one. We saw the signal to buy. So I need to see this signal confirm it. And the next week, I wish to see the confirmation and go higher at least to 17. So this is what I would like to see. Monthly, no data. Daily. Here, daily. Buy. Honestly, I wish to see another sweep to 8 cents 78, for example, and after that reversal. But even from 10 cents, I think it's more than okay to see the reversal move. Let's double check the trading sessions. What we can see. So here, previous day low, previous day high. Let's focus. So honestly, I wish to see that once again at 9 and trade in this range, like this one. Come on. This one. So I wish to see the deviation at the bottom here. And after that, start climbing with deviation at the top and go higher. So this is my plan for Arbitrum. For a spot, I repeat again. I think it's not a mistake to start accumulate now. The last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit will give us a lot of information. So what we can see here, the time frame. We retested the buy line, bullish. Take profit line, by the way, guys, it's on 12 frame, it's 1790, 2028 exit line. Daily, we underrated. So here, from a value of this token, we already retested. It's beginning of February, so no makes sense to retest it again. So it's 8 cents 48. It's a fundamental value. Buy line test below 1129. Take profit. It's exactly the break of structure on a daily. So this one. Or of course, we can adjust it to this low. You would like to talk about break of structure. Come on. This one, A. Hold it. Hold on. A. Come on, let's adjust the new one here. So this one. This is a break of structure. And the exit line is 25. Weekly time frame, I told you we so underrated. Here. 23, it's a test below the fundamental value. Buy line below 31.26. Exit line is 61.70. A take profit line, exit line 69.68. So this is it, guys. Of course, it's up to you to buy or not. Can we drop lower? Yes. Can we go from current prices? Yes. So it's just up to you. I showed you my idea. Guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.